Hey, back again with another short video. I think it's about time we finally get to the point of what this channel is about, and I think this is it. About a day ago, we just happened to meet Neri, who was driving in his SC300. He just happened to stop by while he was heading to a car meet.
18,000 on this one? 18,000, 20, something like that.
So wait, this is a Lexus, right? Lexus?
Yeah, it's a Lexus SC300. They come with a 2JZ GE, but I did a swap. I put a GTE CVTI, yeah. S366 Bob Warner, 44mm square skate, wire specialty water harness, Black Master ECU, 1000 cc's injector, 525 Walbro fuel pump, Mishimoto fans. Did a lot of things.
If you couldn't tell already, Neri has done a lot of things to his SC300. And what's even cooler, he let us put our sticker on his car.
On the back of your tire.
Do it!
This is for you too. Okay?
Driving for fun.
Driving for fun, right? Yeah. See your car, okay? Yeah.
Right now to the Home Depot. There's gonna be a car.
Normally, I like to look at cars from a distance, but Neri, he insisted I sit in it. Since Neri took me on a ride along, why not go check out his socials? He's on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.
Holy shit, that's fast. And this is only 408?
Yeah.
Oh, holy.
Feels good, right?
Yeah, it grips up real hard.
Yeah. Feels good, huh?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, wait, I still gotta take it to the tuner with
Oh, yeah.
got some tune with the E85.
That's sick. That's sick. Oh my
Okay,
god.
I gotta go to a car meet. Nice
Thank you
to
so
meet
much.
bro.
Although I wish we could go for a little bit longer, of course he still had to go to that car meet, but he didn't forget to leave in style.
They pay me attention,